Hello, today I'm in Fiat Panda Cross. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. Firstly, we have to press this button and then listen to what voice assistant has to say. If you don't know any commands, say help. So let's start. Help.
Available commands are play, pause, more to listen, other commands, help to listen again, cancel to exit.
Cancel. Play.
Play,
Pause.
pause.
And that's basically it. There are many more commands we can use on different menus in our car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.